Okay. Good morning, students. So, here once again I am here to discuss about your methods relating to your partner's capital account. So, in my last class I have discussed normally there are two methods. One is your fixed method, another one is fluctuating method. Clear? So, in this fixed method, yesterday in the last class I had said here we normally prepare two types of accounts. One is your partner's capital account, okay, and the second one is partner's current account. Partner's current account. Got it? So in my last class already I have given you the format also relating to these two accounts. So today we shall discuss about this partner's capital account under the head of fluctuating method. And once again I am repeating, in the most of the time in the question it may be discussed that you have to follow the fixed method. Then what you shall have to do, you have to follow these two accounts. You have to normally prepare these two accounts. But if it is not given in your question whether which method to follow, fixed or fluctuating, then we shall go for following this method only. Okay, that means we will prepare only one account, that is your partner's capital account. Got it? This account is nothing different than these two accounts, or we can say this account we shall get by merging these two. By merging these two, we will prepare only one format. Just check it out what shall be here. Suppose this is your account is there. So normally we will merge it here. Okay, both the two accounts, and we will make a single account here. This is your particular, this is amount, this is your particular, this is your amount. Okay. Can you remember in my last class I have shown under the head of partner's capital account, balancing figure will come. Okay. Then either additional capital if the partners will introduce during the year, or if they will withdraw the money from the firm. Only those two entries will used to come. Got it? So both entry will come here itself. Now see, first we will write by balance. This is your previous balance, okay? By balance BD. So some balances will be there. Okay? Or sometimes two balances may be there. Two balance BD. Now you may ask a question, sir, both how it can be written. No need to write both at a time. Either this or this. Okay? If there is a credit, means the profit balances will be there for the last year, then it will be on the credit side. If any losses would have been there, you have to write here. Got it? Any either of any means. If any, I am writing here. If any, you need not to write both at a time. Normally, most of the time you can see this balances used to come. Got it? So next, by cash or bank account. What does it mean by bank? That means cash or bank has been debited, partner's capital account credited. That means firm's cash balance is increasing. This is your introduce of additional capital. What? Introduce of additional capital. Got it? Same way, the partners may withdraw also if they can. So what we should write? To cash or bank account. Got it? So what we should write here? Withdrawal. What we write? Withdrawal. Understood? Now see, you can remember up to this we had prepared one separate account under the fixed method. Got it? And that name was given what? Fixed method. And under the fixed method, this name was partner's capital account. And one more partner's capital account, and separately partner's current account has also been prepared. Now here what we shall do, we will merge all those two accounts. Okay. Now we will write the remaining means have shown on the profit and loss appropriation account. So what we should write? By interest on capital. Got it? Next, by salary. By salary. Next, by commission. Understood? By commission. Then by reserves, if any. Okay? If any. By reserves, if any. Understood? Same way, credit items was also there. So in here, one extra entry will come related to the drawings. So here you should write to drawings. Now, actually, why it has been debited, you all know. When the partners will withdraw the money, so drawings account is always debited. Remember, that means the cash balance of the firm will reduce due to the partners withdrawal of the money. So that's why it has been debited. Again, to interest on drawings. To interest on drawings. Understood? To interest on drawings. Next, I think all the items related to this have been brought. Now, one more thing we have to draw. And what is that? Before preparing this partners capital account, we normally prepare what? PL appropriation account. And from that account, we find some balancing figure. Na? We have to bring that balancing figure in here, in this account. Now see, if there would have been the credit balance, then we will write on the credit side. If there would have been the debit balance, we will write on the debit side. Now, for your convenience, I am writing both sides. But don't take all the two at a time. Clear? So write here what we will write? By PL appropriation account. In case of profit. Got it? In case of profit. This side also we can write to profit and loss appropriation account. In case of loss. In case of loss. Now see, don't write both at a time during the examination. Otherwise you will get confused and your account will be wrong. Either of two you have to consider. Okay? Now see, all have been merged. You can easily get idea, oh, this is the way to prepare the partners capital account. In the last part, that means we had differentiated two different individual accounts. Okay? And now in this case, both has been merged. Both has been merged and we have prepared one single account. Now we will close the part. We will close the part. Okay? Done? Both sides will write. Now again, some balances will be there. Some balances will be there. So what if this side balances will be there, then we will write to balance CD. We will write balancing figure. And this balancing figure will go on your balance sheet. Where? Balance sheet. I will show you later. Okay? Liability side. Under the head of liability side. Or sometimes this side balance will be there. Debit balance, by balance, CD balancing figure. Okay? By balance CD. Again, either this or this may come. Both are not possible at a time. Clear? So this is all about your partners capital account under the head of fluctuating method. So you may get worried during the examination. Sir, nothing has been mentioned in the question. Which method we have to follow? Either fixed or fluctuating. It's very simple. If nothing has been mentioned, you go for opting this method, fluctuating. That means we will prepare only one single account at a time. Got it? But if in the question it is given that you have to follow the fixed method, then we will follow those two accounts. That means partners capital account as well as partners current account separately. Okay? I do you have understood? There is no any problem. So in my next class, I will do what? Problems or the sums related to this partners capital account. And one more thing, see, we have to go through some working notes. And what are those working notes related to this salary, interest on capital, commission, got it? Then your drawings, interest on drawings, likewise. We have to do some working notes. Remember, we will discuss these things also in my next class. Number one, salary. How to calculate salary or commission. Okay? Commission related to the partners or managerial commission you can find. Number two, Then you have interest on capital. Interest on capital. Got it? Then number 3, interest on drawings. These are some extra tasks which we have to do before preparing this partners capital account as well as PL appropriation account. Number 4, what we can do? Done, na? Interest on drawings. Likewise, we have to prepare. So these are some. Okay, one more thing was there. Interest on partners loan. Interest on partners loan. This we will have to calculate separately. Got it? So in my next class we will discuss all these points individually one by one, and we will do some practical sums or illustration related to the PL appropriation as well as the partners capital account. So thank you.